How are you? I wanted to share my TikTok journey with you. I was planning to do this video with you on 90 days into consistently posting every single day, but it's about 2.5 months in and I didn't want to wait that long. So TikTok has been quite an interesting journey. I signed up for the app the second week of February, and I started posting with an Instagrammer mindset, not realizing that that kind of content was not right for this new platform. I wasn't seeing the results that I wanted, but I am an optimistic person that does not give up. So instead of closing the app and saying, forget about TikTok, I decided to watch the trends, watch it evolve for a good month and a half in. And then I finally woke up one morning and said, this is the day I will start posting on TikTok. So it's been about 2.5 months in. I've been posting every single day. I do not take days off posting. So here are my results. I went from having about 20 something followers before that time to having close to 900 followers. Yesterday morning, I shared a story with you telling you that I had 700 followers. I'm now close to 840 something, mid 800s right now. And I know for a fact that it will continue to grow. I'm super excited about this app because it went from just the For You page, which is the page where you can see everybody's content, to the actual following page of the people, the content of the people that follow you. And now it has a learning section, which is super awesome, and which is why you're seeing a lot of my content every day, is because I see chiropractors, yoga instructors, professors, history teachers, you name it. I think every profession in almost every business that I know of is on TikTok right now. And the interesting thing about the demographics of my following is I thought that I would attract a lot of baby boomers and millennials, which I do, but I would have to say that about 75% of my following are Gen Z. These are kids between the age of 5 and up. And the really interesting thing about this, for all of you who are watching, is that Generation Z, they are so interested in learning skills that they are not learning in elementary school, in high school, and college and university, etc. And I couldn't believe how interested they were in until probably about Friday. I did my last post and I checked in several hours after that, and I think I had an influx of I'd say about 65 to 85 followers within a 4-hour period of Gen Z following me because they want to know about branding, marketing, social media, etc. And the reason why I want to share this with you is because there is a lot of misconceptions out there about TikTok. Yes, the CEO of Disney is now with TikTok. Yes, India is going to ban TikTok for political reasons. Yes, the United States is considering banning TikTok, but from a Canadian perspective, I do know that Canada is not within the top 3 to 4 countries that are actually primarily on this app. Although it's quite interesting, I do notice that I do get filtered people here in my city, here in my province. And depending on what kind of music you use, you will actually notice a different change of demographics. So for example, sometimes I use African music on TikTok, and then I'll notice like people from the Caribbean or certain people from like Africa following my content. And then sometimes when I use European songs, like the Beethoven song that I played last week, I'll notice people from Australia, people from the United Kingdom follow me. So the demographics change depending on what you're saying, the music you use, etc. I definitely recommend it for business owners who want to target a younger audience, who want to even just take a chance of being on an app that is fairly new, that can potentially go from just being primarily used by Gen Z and millennials to baby boomers, which I'm also seeing on the app. I'm seeing baby boomers and people older than that with gray hair in their head having hundreds of thousands of followers, of people, again, of all age groups and demographics commenting and following their content. So I can't say specifically if TikTok is best for you, But I can say right now, at this stage of my career and the fact that this app is so new, it definitely is good for me. I'm looking forward to seeing where this app goes. I have a feeling that if it sticks around for another 5 or 10 years, it will be like every other app. The young kids jump on it, and then it goes from the young kids on it to older people, and then bigger companies, and then the ads will come in, and then the reach that me and everybody else on TikTok are getting, who are consistently posting or at least posting high quality content, are seeing maximum results. So that's my TikTok journey. I hope that you've learned something. If you have any questions, feel free to share it below in the comments. And if you're new to my page, click the follow button. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye.